How to make skillet whole cakes, also known as fried cornbread. You know what time it is. Stop playing. Come on, let's go. Using a bowl and a sifter, add 1 cup of cornmeal flour, 1 cup of white flour, half a teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1 to 2 teaspoons of sugar, and sift thoroughly. Now add your 2 large eggs, 1 cup of room temperature buttermilk, and half a cup of melted butter. Mix all the ingredients until well combined. Just a note, guys. If you prefer a thicker batter, you can skip this next step. If you prefer a thinner or medium type batter, add the water 1 teaspoon at a time until you reach your desired consistency. You know what time it is. Stop playing. Using a skillet on medium to high heat, or between the numbers 4 and 5 on your stove, add your oil to your skillet and allow your oil to become hot. Don't be alarmed if you need to add more oil during this cooking process. Using a spoon or an ice cream scoop or a 1/3 measuring cup, carefully add your batter to your hot oil. Your whole cakes, also known as fried cornbread, can be as small or as big as you like. Your cakes will cook up to 2 to 3 minutes on the first side, or until you see the bubbles appear on top of the whole cakes, and then they will cook up to 2 minutes on the flip side. The bubbles have now appeared on top. It is now time to flip your whole cakes. Now flipped, your cake should cook for an additional 2 minutes. Do not be afraid to lift your cakes to check the bottom and ensure that it is thoroughly cooked. Your goal is to attain these crispy brown edges. Also, be prepared to use more oil as you continue to cook your cornbread batter. Add your butter, syrup, or honey to the top of your whole cakes. Keep your cakes warm in the oven of 200 degrees until you have finished cooking. And here you have it, the easy, homemade, sweet and buttery skillet fried whole cakes, also known as fried cornbread. Tired of biscuits? Don't feel like baking? Then you have to give this crispy crust fried cornbread recipe a try. You know what time it is. Stop playing. This is DeSHANTA B. Thank you guys so much for watching and your patience. Check out music producer MARQ the Infinite. Contact him through his Gmail and SoundCloud. You know what time it is. Stop playing. And until next time, bye guys.